HHHunt Homes is proud to present The Gates, a versatile and thoughtfully designed home perfect for your lifestyle. First, you are greeted by a spacious family room that opens to an inviting dining nook. The heart of the home is the spacious gourmet kitchen, featuring a pantry and an optional breakfast bar. The ground floor also includes a half bath. The Gates is a perfect space for entertaining or relaxing. Upstairs, you'll find your extra generously sized bedrooms with walk-in closets, offering plenty of storage and privacy. In the hallway, you have your laundry area, linen closet, and full bathroom. Next, let's see your oasis, the primary suite. Homeowners will enjoy a spacious bedroom, walk-in closet, and private bathroom. And for an added touch of charm, select elevations feature inviting front door porches and outside spaces, perfect for relaxing outdoors. Discover The Gates, where modern living feels like home. Schedule your tour today at hhhunthomes.com.